Hello everyone. Today I'll teach you maths. Remove your maths textbook, page number 1. In this chapter we have revision, let's recall. In this topic we'll do all the revision of the previous class which you have studied. So we have our first question. Write the following numbers in words. Now the numbers have been given. You have to write that in numbers. You have to write that in words. Like we have 2, 6, 26. So you will write 26. Now over here, ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens and 100. So at 100 place we have 5. So we will write 500. 500. At tens place we have 7. And the value of 7 become 70. And the value of ones become 6. 576. Third example, 770. How you will read this? 770. At hundreds place we have 7. So we will write 770. Third example we have 313. 313. 313. Now next question we have, write the following in figures. Now the numbers they have given in words and we have to write in number form. Now 649. That means at the place of 100 we have 6. At tens place we have 44. At ones place we have 9. How you will read this? 649. 111. 111. That means at 100 place we have 1 and 11. 111. 450. 450. At hundreds place we have 4. 150. 50. 450. Now we have write each of the following in the expanded form. Till now numbers were given, you have to write that in words. Words were given, you have written in the form of number. Now expanded form. What is expanded form? The number you have to write in expand form. Like ones, tens, 100. So what is the value of 1 over here? We have 100. What is the value of 4 over here? 40. What is the value of ones? 7. So 147. 147. Second we have at hundreds place we have 3. So what is the value of 3? 300. Now at tens place we have 1. That means the value is 10. And at ones place we have 7. 317. 430. 100 tens ones. 430. Because at tens place we have 3. The value of 3 is 30, and at ones place we have nothing, so what you will write? 430. Now we have question, write each of the following in short form. Number were given, you have written in expanded form. Now in expanded form it has been given and you have to write in number. So 222, ones, tens, 100. Make the habit of writing like this, tens, 100, so that it will be easy for you to read it. Now at 100 place we have 200, that means 2. At tens place we have 20, that means 2. At ones place 222. Again ones, tens, 100. 700, and at tens place we have 10 and ones place we have 7. So 717. 510, 2. So how you will write? What is the value of 5 over here? 500. Tens we have 1, that means 1. At ones we have 2. How you will read this? 512. 512. Fourth example we have 410, and at ones place we have 0. 0 means nothing. 410. Because at ones place we have nothing, so we have written 0. How you will read this? 410. 410. In this, now we have 600, 2 tens, 8 ones. 600 means over here 600, 2 tens, and at ones place we have 8. So that becomes 628.